Hello, I'm Reema Chandra and welcome to Cooking Without Boundaries. Cooking without boundaries to me means breaking out of many boundaries, whether it's cuisine, culture, or simple ones like recipes, ingredients, and skills. Creating conversations, sharing and nurturing my passion, and hoping to inspire you is what Cooking Without Boundaries means to me. Hi, I'm Reema Chandra and welcome to Cooking Without Boundaries. Roasting is an easy method, is a very popular method, and it is something that we are often ready to do. Today I have a large spread of vegetables, fish, different kind of breads, fruits, ground meat. All of those things we commonly find in our refrigerator or in our pantry or vegetable basket. So today I decided to roast them and make different sandwiches and paninis with them. So we are going to be very ambitious today. I'm excited to do this ambitious menu, and let's get started with cooking. Let's make roasted pepper and mozzarella panini. For that, I have heated up a grilling pan and I'm adding, I added olive oil, about half a tablespoon, and now I have added just a few slices of onion to saute it. And also, while that is going on, this is going to go on the panini. I will add 2 or 3 slices of mozzarella cheese. These are thick slices and I don't want them getting too loose, so I'll move them very quickly. Here's my bread. I drizzle some olive oil on it, as well as on the outside. Line up your bread, the bottom part, with basil. Add this mozzarella there. That looks good, just right. We also add the onions that we just sauteed a little bit. Not all is needed, so we are going to move them from the pan. And now add roasted pepper here. Okay. Now let's put this on the pan, and then we will add salt, pepper, and the top slice. There you go. Let's do salt. None of it had salt other than cheese. So, and this is freshly crushed black pepper. And we put this top bread slice on top, and then I have this panini press that I'm going to press this with, and keep it pressed. If you don't have the panini press, try pressing it with a filled kettle, water kettle. Essentially you need some weight on top of it, and once that is done, we are going to flip it. So let's use this. And now we are gently going to take the sandwich and flip it. This looks yum. And press again. This time I think the oil has gone on to one side, so I'm going to just get the oil in there and now press again. Smells wonderful and it is so easy. You just saw it. Some vegetables, some cheese, some leaves, and it's done. For making panini, you should make sure that you have bread that is a little bit harder. It's the sliced, toasting kind of bread will not do, because those are very, very soft and they start breaking up. So panini is ready and we are going to pick it up. Let me put this here first. Hold it because it's sticking because of the cheese. And we are going to flip this here. Looks delicious, looks beautiful, and smells so flavorful. And I am very confident it is going to taste excellent. So we made roasted pepper and mozzarella panini just with few ingredients. All of these ingredients that we got from our refrigerator, from our pantry, came together and we put together a delicious meal here. All of it melting in your mouth is what I call cooking without boundaries. If you have any question or suggestion, please write to me at reema@sharontv.com or call me at 617-504-5136. Until next time, happy cooking without boundaries.